Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we have a 10-minute standing HIIT workout that's gonna get you sweating. It's really fun and it's a little bit intense. Smash that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the workout. We have 17 exercises in today's HIIT workout, 30 to 40 seconds on and 10 seconds of rest in between. Let's start the workout with some squats. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, then squat down low. Keep your core engaged and your glutes engaged too. And we have skaters straight away. Jump to one side and bring one leg behind and cross over. Try to not let the lifted leg touch the floor. Maintain your balance and then jump to the other side. You can always take a big step instead of a jump for low impact variation. Short 10 seconds rest now, and we'll have lateral lunge with a hop next. Bring one leg to the side and then push your hips back as you lunge down. Then come back to center and jump. For low impact, just do the exercise without the jump. Now repeat on the other side. Keep going. Another 10 seconds rest now, and we'll have pop squat punch next. Start with a regular squat, then jump by bringing both legs to the middle, then jump back into a squat, then get up and throw some punches and repeat. For low impact, just exclude the jumps. Without any rest, we are doing some butt kicks. This is easy, but make sure you are kicking your legs up high enough. Short 10 seconds rest, and we've got reverse to curtsy lunge. Bring one leg behind and lunge, and then bring the same leg diagonally behind and lunge again. Make sure you're engaging your core, legs, and glutes while you're doing this. Now we're doing the same on the other side. Keep going, guys. Ten seconds rest, and we'll have to shuffle step back next. Shuffle to the right and bring one leg behind, and then shuffle to the left and repeat. This is easy but will keep your heart rate up. Straight away, we have jumping jacks. Keep going, we are more than halfway through the workout. For low impact, you can always just take one step to the side instead of jumping. Ten seconds rest now, and we have lateral jump squat next. Start in the squat, then jump to the right and squat. Then bring the right leg to the side and tap, and then back in and jump to the left and repeat. This is probably the hardest exercise of this workout, so keep pushing, you're doing great. So for low impact, you can always do a squat and tap your feet. Take a short 10 seconds rest to catch your breath, and the next exercise is lateral lunge reach. Bring one leg to the side and lunge, and try to reach the floor with one hand, then repeat on the other side. We're doing lateral jacks straight away. This is the low impact version of jumping jacks. So if you still have tons of energy, you can do jumping jacks instead. Ten seconds rest now, and the next exercise is step back. Start in a quarter squat, then bring one leg behind, one at a time while engaging your core and your quads. Make sure you stay in good form and don't arch your back. We have butt kicks straight away, and we have 2 more exercises after this, so keep pushing, we are almost there. Short 10 seconds rest, and we have broad jump. Start in a quarter squat, then take a big jump forward. Make sure you land softly with a slight bend on your knees. You do not want to hurt your knees or ankles, so if you can't do this, you can do different variations of squats, like squatting and then performing a front kick. And the final exercise is jog in place to lower down your heart rate a little. And that's the workout, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's short little HIIT workout. Please like the video and leave a comment down below on what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next workout.